Are you ready to embark on a journey of discovery, healing, and transformation? Welcome to SkyyGems, your guide to the mesmerizing world of crystals. We provide knowledge about their individual attributes, healing energies, and spiritual connotations. These beautiful stones possess healing properties, bringing balance and harmony. Whether you're an experienced crystal enthusiast or a beginner, we're here to offer a treasure trove of wisdom, guidance, and inspiration to support you on your journey. Together, we will uncover the secrets of ancient crystal wisdom. We'll delve into crystal healing, meditation, astrology, and energy work. Our aim? To empower to cultivate balance, harmony, and well-being. SkyyGems offers more than just a wealth of information. We are a community of growth, exploration, and holistic living. Embark on a transformative journey of self-discovery. Seeking the perfect crystal, SkyyGems offers guidance, inspiration, and positivity. Subscribe today and watch the magic unfold.
Hello and welcome to SkyyGems. Have you ever pondered about the crystals that can improve your life as a Virgo? The Virgo, known for its practical and intelligent nature, has a close connection with nature. Its quest for self-betterment is ever present. Some crystals with their special attributes can boost these innate qualities in Virgos. Paramount among them are emerald, carnelian, jade, and peridot. First off, emerald, the September birthstone, is a vibrant green crystal often associated with love. This precious stone is revered for promoting balance, harmony, and compassion. Particularly if you're a Virgo, you may find emerald beneficial. As Virgos tend to be analytical and self-critical, emerald serves as a catalyst for emotional growth. It aids in fostering understanding and forgiveness, allowing one to let go of any judgments or grudges. It helps shed any judgments or grudges that might be weighing on your mind. Second up, the fiery orange carnelian is a perfect match for the ambitious Virgo. This unique stone kindles motivation, self-assurance, and imagination. It's a link to your deepest might, facilitating the surmounting of obstacles. Identified in relation to the sacral chakra, signifies passion, creativity, and sensuality. Having carnelian within reach can ignite your passions and allow your creative energies to flow unhampered. Then there's jade, a crystal that resonates with the practical and grounded Virgo. Jade, known for its tranquility, balance, and prosperity attributes, and it can alleviate stress, a common issue among perfectionist Virgos. This is recognized for its powerful manifestation qualities, assisting in achieving specific desires. Jade can help you draw them into your life. Lastly, the sun's gemstone, peridot, brings positivity, abundance, and happiness. It's a symbol of the sun, a tangible manifestation of solar power. For Virgos, it strengthens their bond with the earth, their ruling element. This beautiful gem helps cleanse negativity, promoting emotional healing. It's a catalyst for change, stimulating growth and self-improvement. It assists in releasing negative patterns, enabling you to realize your full potential. To conclude, as a Virgo, you can significantly benefit from the energies of emerald, carnelian, jade, and peridot. These crystals introduce balance and positivity into your life. Wearing them as jewelry or placing them in your home can be effective tools for trust in their power to enhance your life as a Virgo. Thank you so much for watching this episode of SkyyGems. And as you go about your day, remember to spread nothing but love, peace, and crystals.